welcome to or welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. If you're new to our channel, then welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. So today I'm recording my video from the bathroom because that's where I'm gonna be transforming my hair from. I'm gonna transform my hair from this color, I don't know if you can see this color, to this or this, I don't know. So it's gonna depend on which one I would like to take. Then later on I'm gonna do my makeup. So if you want to see how I'll come out, please stay tuned and watch the video up to the end. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So yeah, I'm gonna dye my hair now and I'll show you how it will come out. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thank you so much. So guys, because of limited space, I wasn't able to record from the bathroom. I didn't have enough space to like put my equipment near the camera, so I had gone back to the room where we actually do our recording from. So because I needed to put all my equipment near the camera, so that's why. So guys, I have opened this one, and this one looks like this. Yeah, and it comes with this, comes with a pair of gloves to use for applying. So yeah, I'll catch you guys once I mix this. Guys, it's actually so fun to dye your hair. You gotta try this. You need to try this. If you haven't, please try it. It's actually very fun. You'll have fun. I'm sure you can see how I look. I look happy. So this dye works pretty well with when you use a blower, like you dry the hair. But unfortunately we had no Zesco electricity that moment, so I couldn't actually blow my hair. But yeah, I love how it came out. So unfortunately I'll have to wash my hair because it's about to start raining, and when it starts raining I'll fail to like wash my hair. So I don't know if the color has changed yet or not, but I think the hair is not the same, so I'll have to wash. If at all this dye is so effective, obviously by now there must be a difference. So I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll get back to you for my makeup. Okay. So I have managed to wash my hair. I just wanted to dry a bit as I do my makeup. So yeah, I'll definitely show you guys the outcome. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly go into makeup. So the first thing we're gonna do is sharpen our pencil, our eyebrow pencil. Yeah, it's been sharpened. Then I'm going to be so quick, okay? So let's go. So guys, what do you think about this? Leave a comment, let me know. Look at my hair. Look at that hair. Look. Look. Oh my god. Hmm. Hmm. I think I look beautiful. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think about how I look. If you need me to improve on something, leave a comment, let me know. If you found something beautiful, leave a comment, let me know. If I look all perfect, please comment down below, let me know. Let me know. So yep, so before I just say goodbye to you, I want to show you another hairstyle that I can make just with this same hair. Please stay tuned. Woo! What do you think about that? What do you guys think about that? Well, I think it looks so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. You're beautiful, my girl. Beautiful. What color is this? Let me just show you another one. You can actually make too many hairstyles. Short hair, got you covered. Ooh, doo-doo-doo. Ooh, how about that? That. That. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye.